Yo guys, welcome to the YouTube dance tutorial. Nobody do that stuff for you guys since. Don't mind me guys, we're a little bit busy and devastated. So not doing there. Like all the dance cast you guys. Now I'm up guys, I'm active for you guys right now. So this is a shady song by Prophet Joel again. So pull it up. So guys, I'm gonna let the lyrics here, so don't mind my lyrics. Let's just go like that. Turn stuff. Show up, I must recover emotionality. If you're running for me, and everything, something like that, guys. Now, the first step in this dance tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe. Don't allow me to forget that one. But I want me to forget that vital part. In case I'm not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below. Don't mind me, I'm looking at that side. Subscribe down below for me, guys. Like this video, comment what you think in the comment section. Let's dance, let's dance. So the first step in this dance tutorial is don't stop 2, 3, 4. I think guys, it's don't stop. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's don't stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 5, 6 from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't stop. Listen, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't stop. Push down. That's it, guys. It's 1, 2. Now, if I do this 4 step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will do is 1, 2. I'm following, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't stop. Pull down. I think guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't stop. Pull down. I'm following, guys. Find out how to do that. And this step is easy. That's why we can be moving fast, guys. It's an easy step dance tutorial. So just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So about that, the next step to do is 1, 2. I see guys. So let's say I'm gonna start with, I can get the concept. 5, 6, 7. Don't stop. Pull up. Pull up. Recover up. I see guys. Once you do 1, 2, you roll, and do 1, 2. Alright, it's easy guys, it's easy. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7. Don't stop. Pull up. Release up. Recover up. 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. I think guys. So it's once you do 1, do 2. Then you need to roll your hands up. You have to roll in a circle 2 times. 1, 2. They do 1, 2. As if you want to stone something or slap something. 1, 2. Everyone start again. 5, 6. From start 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait up. In case you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe down below, guys. We're currently at 4,000 subscribers, guys. Let's get 5,000 basically, guys. Let's go, guys. Almost 5,000 now. Let's just hit 5,000 subscribers, guys. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. Let's dance, guys. Let's dance. Don't stop. Move it up. Come on. Don't stop. So, guys, this dance again, we're repeating the steps. Like the previous video, we're repeating the steps, guys. It's a 2-step dance. Let me catch my breath. So guys, in case you are hearing the rain is about to fall. Don't mind the time I'm doing this video, the rain is about to fall. Sorry guys. So let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7. Don't stop. Push down. Don't stop. Recover up. Don't stop. Again. Push down. Press up. Guys, the second style, this time around, I'm doing 1, 2, 1, 2. But repeating the first two steps, we're not doing this other one. 1, 2, 1, 2. Instead of I want you to do 1, 2. We do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we push, drag, pull like this. The next job doing open, close, open, close. So it's drag, drag. Are you getting, guys? My camera will not be caching, my mic will not be caching everything that's in the background right now. I just hope I'm able to remove the background noise or so. So let's go from the start. 5, 6, watch it. Let me show you guys like I know the first two moves in the dance. First two moves, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I will recover. Don't stop. Pull up. Recover up. Like this. I want like it in the second step, basically, guys. Or what I'm doing is just don't stop. Pull up. I see, guys. So just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Slide. So let's go when we start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't stop. Pull up. Pull up. Recover up. Don't stop. Pull up. I think, guys. So once I've done that, we'll go again on that one basically. I know you guys didn't get it yet. We'll go again for the second time. When we start, let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't stop. Move up. Right up. Recover up. Don't stop. Move up. Recover. So once I've done that, next time to do is your virtues are waiting. I think so. Just relax back then. Wind your shoulders. Wind your shoulders like this guy. Your virtues are waiting. Permit me. Back. And 2. Those are the last two steps, guys. 1, 2. Everyone will start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't stop. Pull up. Press down. Recover me. I think, guys. Okay, I've got dance tutorial basically. In case you are new here, can you subscribe down below to the channel? This video is getting too long basically. Let's do dance tutorial one more time. One last time, guys. One last time. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Don't stop. Push down. Press down. Recover up. Don't stop. Push down. I must recover up. I'm not waiting. So guys, that's what's up basically. In case you like this video and you not get any part of the dance clear, comment in the comment section. If I want elaborate enough, let me know in the comment section and I'll make it more details for you guys. Kindly subscribe to this channel for me, guys. Like this video. And if you do this dance through this tutorial, kindly put hashtag Teoluckzboom in your videos. I'm not gonna watch 2 videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.